Good morning. Today I feel better. So this morning I woke up, I took a video, I made this zucchini noodles. Yeah, I got this. Called spiralizer. Did I pronounce right? So I can cut vegetables into noodles, noodle shape. So today I made this and now I'm going to eat lunch. And I want to talk about things, just general things. Okay, let me get some rice first. This is a whole zucchini, one zucchini. 아이고. So this, I made it. I put oil, minced garlic, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and chili flakes. And I think I added too much sauce. It's actually very salty. Ooh. I mean, it's good, but very salty. Ooh. Last night I slept pretty early, like 1 a.m. and I slept pretty good. I woke up and I feel still tired. I think because I didn't sleep well for, I don't know, like how many days. Now I'm really getting back on my track. Yesterday I didn't play game and I made a couple videos even though I was tired. And today the same. I don't play game and I filmed some videos and now I'm making videos. Wow. Actually, I don't really like zucchini, but cut it like that and cook short time. Oh, the texture, I like it. It's pretty good. This time I realized that if I want to do something really good, try to do good, it makes me actually stop because I have too much doubts in my head. I'm talking about my video. Before, I used to upload like 1 video a day, like 7 videos a week. That time, I just didn't think, just if I have any idea, I just film, edit, upload. But since 1 month ago, I was thinking, oh, maybe it's better just upload 4 videos a week and make the video quality better. I felt like now it's time to focus on quality more than quantity. Since then, yeah, I got a lot more time, but I didn't even upload four times a week. I think I uploaded like 2 or 3 times a week, and the result wasn't really good. The views are actually getting dropped, and I was like, oh, this is not what I imagined. So every time when I made videos, I was thinking like, oh, which one is better, this one or that one, or like, oh, I should this, I should that. Too much doubt. And then I felt like, oh, it's not good enough, it's not good enough. And I couldn't make a video. I couldn't even start film. So now I decided to go back like before. Just if I have any idea, just film it and upload it. Yeah, of course, if plan in advance and make it like a system is really good, but I think I'm not good at that. So I think I should just do with my speed, my routine. So it's very salty. I need to go to Costco shopping soon because I'm almost out of toilet paper. Yeah, just a quick update. That's it for today. I'm going to edit this video and upload it tonight, April 9th. Hopefully, I can do that because I have to go to work soon. So if I can finish it on time, then you will see me on tonight. Okay. Bye bye. 짜.